Alright, so I'm going to be shooting a lock right there. I have no one to hold the phone for me, so I have to prop it up. I'm going to be shooting it with the pellet rifle. Might have to hold it. I'm just to hold the phone and shoot it sometime. There it is. I don't think I'm going to be able to hit it. Shoot one more time. I'm going to shoot again. I think I'll miss again. I'm going point blank now. So the very first hit right there. The second one hit right there. It didn't dent or anything. I couldn't find the second shot though. I ended up shooting it again. And I hit it somewhere and it unlocked it. So I hit it right there on the key and it twisted it so hard it unlocked it. I'm going to try to shoot it again, but this time I'm going to try to get it on camera. I doubt I'll be able to even hit it. I think I hit it. I think I hit it right there. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell because the pellet blends in with that. I have some more things I'm going to shoot. And I'm going to be shooting casings. I have a 9mm, 45 auto, 270, another 9mm, and another 9mm. I got the 9mm down there. But I really doubt I can hit it. I could barely hit the lock. But if I can miss this time, I'm just going to go point blank. Alright, so I have no idea where that last shot hit, so I'm just going to go point blank. Alright, so I hit it. Right there. Just dented it. I'm going to try the steel casing. Alright, now I have the steel case 9mm. Steel case is, I think it's supposed to be weaker than brass. Sorry for the bad angle today. I'm not recording, so a little big hole in the dirt, but I dropped it. Did it hit anywhere? I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna shoot it right there. Now I'm gonna be shooting straight down it. It's either gonna blow straight through it or it's gonna mess my gun up. Hope it just blows straight through it. But it didn't go straight through, but I'm gonna let it focus. Chipped it right there. I found the first shot. If it would zoom in, hit right there. And just chipped the rim. I now have the 45 auto. This should be a lot easier to hit. Alright, so it dug it into the ground pretty far. Oh, I found it. Hit right there. Completely dented it. Here's the pellet. It's all squished. I'm going to be shooting the 270. This one's going to take me a minute to line it up. It's just sitting right there. It's 270 win, I think. Well, I stuck it in the hole that the 45 made, or the 9mm. I'm going to try my best to shoot it right directly into the hole one-handed. I didn't hit directly down the tube, but it hit right there, bounced out.